Hey everyone, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. As you can see, I decided to do a little bit something different. Do you like it? It's my different green screen. It's the redder version of Dream Believe Take Action Now. Christine Trainer. I'm just having fun, guys. I'm really enjoying doing green screen because it's something I take a task to hand to learn to do things online, especially doing videos, right? So today's topic, as I could carry on to my series of online marketing as well as in the discussion of successful solution method, I want to talk about how when we do daily tasks every day, especially on whatever platform we're on, we can get more eyeballs and engagement on our page. True, right? I mean, think about it this way. If you go along and you're doing all your business stuff and you got so much business on your page, are you doing the right tasks? Are you engaging with people? Are you helping getting your page a bit more professional look? Are you doing some good value posts? Let's discuss. And the reason I want to share that with you today is because that's some of the things that we do in Successful Solution Method to help us, shall we say, build our business better. This is some of the tasks that I do in Successful Solution Method to help me earn income and earn consistent income. So let's talk about it. The first such task that we are supposed to do in Successful Solution Method to help us build our business is to take part, in all our trainings and take part in all our webinars, because you see, this task-based program, which means when we do daily tasks, we are earning as well because we're learning, because it's also a task. This is also a digital training platform as well. So those people who are seasoned marketers are having difficulties and need to learn further and need to learn some kind of consistent income by learning, you can do that here. Or somebody is, I'm fairly new or a newbie. It is newbie friendly program, by the way. You can learn and earn within no time with these beautiful tasks that we're trained to do. So the first ones, of course, the first two ones, we want to always make sure that we attend the webinars, attend the trainings, because they're important for us to learn. Plus you earn while you're doing it as well. And the second such task are basically get your page in order. That's an important task. Get your page in order by taking a bit more professional look to your cover photo, in your Facebook page. And basically Fiverr is the best one, Fiverr is the best one. And as you go along your page, you'll see that on the side, you have to make sure you have a bit more information on your bio with a little bit more emojis. It's wonderful. As well as you always make sure, and these are the tasks we do on a daily basis, especially these next tasks, go on every day, an hour before you decide to do any post, and engage. I call it audience building, but engage. Go other people's timelines, you know what to do. You go to your home and you go down there where you see everybody's posts. Love and comment as many as you can within an hour and a half. Do it. And for me, I take this task seriously. I do it in the morning, in the afternoon, and sometimes the early evening before I go to bed. I like to do it 3 hours a day because I like to really, shall we say, engage as much as I can and really enjoy everybody else's post. And then before you've done that hour's worth or hour and a half, whatever you want to do, next thing you do is you do some really good, wonderful value posts. And basically, we're trained, or our tasks are to do it maybe a few times a week, twice a day on your post, maybe in the morning and in the evening or late afternoon, and really share some really valuable posts. And you can Google whatever could be within your niche, whatever value you want to give. That's an excellent task, and that's what we do on a daily basis with Successful Solution Method. And of course, you want to reach up to a certain amount of friends on a daily basis, which means for us, we are getting at least 5,000. For many people, they're just trying to reach it. Now, why we're saying that in Successful Solution Method is because you want to have enough more eyeballs checking out your fake page, right? Engaging with you on a daily basis. And of course, get rid of the people that are not been, shall we say, engaging with you well enough. That's okay. You just go down to the bottom of your list of friends and just get rid of them. We're suggesting to do at least maybe 30 a day or so. It depends. I'm fairly new at it, so I only do maybe 10 to 20 a day. And then I add another 20 to my list. Because what you want is a variety of wonderful people who are basically my are newbies or basically seasoned marketers watching your page. You want enough eyeballs to your page to help you engage on a regular basis, to help understand how to get more organic traffic, right, to your page. It's essential that we do these tasks, and I do them regularly. These tasks are done consistently every day, and these are tasks you need to do. They're actually common sense tasks when you think about it, doing that on a daily basis, right? So I'm going to actually green screen and share with you my page and how I'm going about it. And I have a lot more engagement than I did. I tell you what, my engagement has changed from maybe 20 to 30 people to maybe sometimes over 150. Depends. If you do a good value post, you and some of our newbies members, they're getting up to 300 to 400 wonderful engagement, people watching because they're so fascinated by these beautiful posts. So you can really do that well. And that's basically a few of the tasks that we do on a daily basis in order for us to earn income. All right, now let me do a screen share of my page. Let's see, I just go to screen share. Let's see, there it is, my screen share. Like that. I just want to share with you, my friends. Oh my goodness, so many people here. Like that. People. Oh, okay. Let me go up to my page. Let me see. Now see that I had done professionally. That is one of the basic tasks. And over here you will see a different bio with some emojis because that's one of our tasks we need to do. And as you go further down, sorry, there's lots of people engaging in one of my groups. This is it. This is some of my posts. Now I've hit 74. It's getting higher. It will probably by tomorrow. And this one here did pretty good. But this is basically a curiosity post. This is what we do when we start earning. This is one of the main things we do, one of the main tasks. We do at least 2 curiosity posts a week, sharing others how much we're making in Successful Solution Method. But this is one of my video posts I do. Basically, we do a video post once a week or a regular post sharing our webinars because we do our webinars that we attend, right? This is one of my posts that I did, and it got at 193, and it's going to get higher. And that is a wonderful post. It just says, many times in my life, I felt unsure of myself. I didn't love me as the beautiful person I am because for so many years, I kept thinking I was unworthy. And it says, until 2 years ago, I realized that I am beautiful and worthy and no one can take that away from me. So I share this today. You're beautiful and nobody else has the right to make you feel and you're not. And basically, when you're doing these posts, it's good to do a regular written post, but please, guys, as I've been taught, when we do our posts, make sure that you are basically doing yourself. Show yourself to the world. That way your engagement will get even better. Written post is excellent if it's a very good value post, but show yourself. This is important. These are some of the tasks I do on a daily basis. And when you do these tasks, especially in Successful Solution Method, you will earn because our leaders and our success coaches are watching us, how our page is. It's important. Because especially it depends, and I think I actually do some of this on my LinkedIn page, guys, and I've gotten some wonderful engagement on my LinkedIn as well. But this is basically if you are on Facebook, right? But I think you could do it on your other platforms. It depends on how you do it. You could just engage constantly on your platform, making sure it's more professionally done. Make sure that you are doing value posts and engaging with those people, and you share some good curiosity posts. And this is part of the task. And the main task, of course, we have a chat room. And we must always, that is one of our tasks as well, to engage with other members on a chat room. Engaging with each other is important because you're helping each other and you're broadening and you're expanding and getting that platform and program become more popular and more successful. It's true. We work better as a team than not, right? So that's what the engaging is about. So these are some of the tasks I wanted to share with you, how we are really getting to show people what Successful Solution Method is and how you yourself, when you become a member of Successful Solution Method, you will become more popular. You'll get more eyeballs to your page, guys. Much more eyeballs to your page. Okay? Forgive me. Don't worry about that. That's because I made a boo-boo once. So I really wanted to share that. That doesn't mean anything. It's just sometimes when you do too much with Facebook, they have a tendency to do that to you. So don't worry about that. Don't look at that, guys. I'm doing okay. It's just sometimes they get a little upset with you when you do certain posts and you'll be put in jail. That's Facebook. But I have been very good for a while. It's just this stays on your account for about a year until you're better. So don't worry about it, guys. If you're new to this, this is not going to happen to you. I find that I learned quite a bit. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Don't worry about that. Don't look at that, okay? Too bad I couldn't scratch that out. That's just, but you know, I'm sharing with you, I'm doing a video and giving you the information. I have done very well. It's just this stays on your account for a year because they think you're, I'm not a spammer, guys. As you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cover page because I did this to Fiverr. Now, if you're looking for friends and you want to get as many friends as you can because you want to accumulate more eyeballs to your page, there is a couple of softwares you can find out. I forgot the one, Simple Friends Tool. Simple Friends Tool. I forgot the one I was using. I have it on here. Let me see if I can find it. Where is my tool I use? Give me a second, guys. I have my, oh, here it is. This is the tool I use. Let me see if I can click that onto that tool. Is it coming on? I'm just trying to see what the name of that tool is. It's called Simple. Guys, I forgot the name of the tool. I'm trying to get this. It's not clicking on. So sorry about that, guys. It's one of the tools I use to help get friends. Basically, use the tool. You click on somebody's wonderful page that has a lot of interesting friends, and you accumulate friends. Now, that is one of the tasks. But here's the thing. You'll get a lot of friends you don't really want to be friends with, and you basically, it's okay to unfriend because what are you trying to do? Is you're trying to get as many friends and people to check out your page. And you're engaging with these friends too. Remember, the task also is this, to engage and start a wonderful friendship with trust, right? Because of the know and like and trust factor, right? When you're online as well. So these are the simple, I really like these tasks. They've helped me engage much better and learn quite a bit, guys. And why I want to share that with you today is because it's an important part of successful solution method. Doing tasks on a daily basis and getting consistent payment through these tasks and so much more on this wonderful community of successful solution method. And it's important, and it's simple tasks. Simple, and do them consistently on a daily basis. You will earn. You will get a lot more eyeballs to your page. You'll get a lot of people engaging with you, asking you what you do, and just see what's with all this engagement. It's amazing. What are you doing? And then you'll have better conversation. Okay. Now, in the description down below, I have the link to Successful Solution Method. Pop on over, join our team, be a part of this beautiful community, Successful Solution Method, and really learn to do the task consistently and earn as well. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing community of people who do really well. Even the newbies in our members in our program are doing fantastically, and their engagement on their page is doing wonderful. As well, our Facebook group, which is another part of true engagement as well. I'll leave the link down below, the description as well. Come visit me, come see me, and ask more questions if you like, and I'll share my Facebook page down below too. And remember, like or love, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here for our next little while to share with you some tips and strategies on online marketing, as well as a bit more information on our wonderful community of Successful Solution Method. And ring the bell down below so you can see more when another one of my videos comes up, because I'm here for a while, guys. I'm here to really share. So my lovely friends, see you on the other side to success with Successful Solution Method and all the other beautiful things I want to share with you as well next week, 2 days, week, years to come. You never know, right? Talk to you soon, my lovely friends. Have an awesome day. Bye.